Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, students. Today we will study some special type of salts, under which first we will study about washing soda.
Ma'am, do we use sodium carbonate as a cleansing agent for domestic purpose like washing clothes?
Yes, in fact, sodium carbonate is a compound of many dry soap powders also. Sodium carbonate is also used for removing permanent hardness of water. Can you tell me other uses of washing soda or sodium carbonate?
Here I understood that washing soda is also known as sodium carbonate. Isn't it, ma'am? I know other uses of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is used in the manufacture of glass soap and paper. Similarly, sodium carbonate or washing soda is used in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax.
Well done. Washing soda is sodium carbonate containing 10 molecules of water of crystallization. It means washing soda is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Decahydrate, deca means होता है 10. Decahydrate means 10 molecules of water are contained in it. So, the formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. Sodium carbonate does not contain any water of crystallization is called anhydrous sodium carbonate. मीन्स जिसमें 10 molecules of water attached नहीं होते हैं उसको हम anhydrous sodium carbonate बोलते हैं. Sodium carbonate, anhydrous sodium carbonate is commonly known as soda ash. Washing soda is an important chemical obtained from sodium chloride.
Ma'am, please tell us how do we prepare washing soda?
Washing soda is produced from sodium chloride, which is known as common salt, in 3 steps. In step 1, a cold and concentrated solution of sodium chloride, which is called brine, is reacted with ammonia. The formula of ammonia is NH3 and carbon dioxide. The formula of carbon dioxide is CO2 to obtain sodium hydrogen carbonate. That is, first we mix cold and concentrated brine water. Brine water means नमक का पानी. NaCl सॉल्ट को वाटर में डिसॉल्व करते हैं, उसमें अमोनिया NH3 और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मिलाते हैं, तो हमें सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट और अमोनियम क्लोराइड मिलता है. A cold and concentrated solution of sodium chloride is reacted with ammonia and carbon dioxide to obtain sodium hydrogen carbonate. Then, in second step, sodium hydrogen carbonate is separated by filtration, dried and heated. On heating, sodium hydrogen carbonate decomposes to form sodium carbonate. In third step, anhydrous sodium carbonate is dissolved in water and crystallized to get washing soda crystals containing 10 molecules of water of crystallization. This is the complete chemical reaction of this process to get washing soda, that is NaHCO3.
Ma'am, what is soda ash?
When sodium hydrogen carbonate is separated by filtration and it is heated, then on heating, sodium hydrogen carbonate decomposes to form sodium carbonate and it loses its water molecule. This anhydrous sodium carbonate, means sodium carbonate without water, is called soda ash.
Ma'am, what are the properties of washing soda?
Washing soda is a transparent crystalline solid. Washing soda is one of the few metal carbonates which are soluble in water. The solution of washing soda in water is alkaline, which turns red litmus to blue. Now fourth property is detergent property, means its cleansing property. Washing soda has detergent properties because it can remove dirt and grease from dirty clothes, etc. Washing soda attacks dirt and grease to form water soluble products, which are then washed away on rinsing with water.
Ma'am, in the starting, we have learned about the uses of the sodium carbonate, but I request you to tell us again the uses of sodium carbonate.
Sure, why not? Uses of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate or washing soda is used as a cleansing agent for domestic purpose like washing clothes. In fact, sodium carbonate is component of many dry soap powders. Second use is sodium carbonate is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Its third use is sodium carbonate is used in manufacture of glass, soap and paper. Fourth use is sodium carbonate is used in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax.
Ma'am, we have learned so much about washing soda and all of our doubts are clear now.
Thank you, ma'am, for such a nice explanation.
Okay students, in our next class we will learn about next salt baking soda.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.